Solar light towers are used to provide overhead lighting on a multitude of projects, such as construction sites, parking lots, events, sporting fields, streets, and highways. The light towers use solar panels to capture the sun's energy, storing it in onboard battery systems that power the high-output LED light. The 4 high-efficiency, high-output LED lamps are dimmable with 3 brightness settings and can be tilted and rotated manually without the use of tools. The lamps sit on top of a telescopic mast that can be raised up to 20 feet high. The mast can be rotated up to 360 degrees to face in any direction, allowing operators to direct light without the need to move the trailer. A very user-friendly touchscreen allows operators to easily turn lamps on and off, or program when lights will come on and turn off. Easily select the days and hours you want the lamps to operate, choose the number of lamps, and even select from 3 brightness settings for lighting your project efficiently. The solar light towers are easy to tow and set up. Once the trailer is in position, stabilize it by extending and lowering the 4 outrigger jacks and the jack on the drawbar. Wear all personal protection equipment and follow all OSHA and ANSI safety standards. For the light tower to work properly, the trailer must be positioned so the solar collectors are facing south in order to maximize the sun's energy. Position the trailer and proceed to level the trailer using the outrigger jacks. Inspect the ground to make sure the trailer is clear of debris and that the area is level. Also make sure the solar panels are not blocked overhead. Trees and other objects overhead can block the solar panels from receiving ample lighting to charge the batteries. With the trailer securely in place, unlock the collectors. Then position the collectors by rotating the solar tilt jack below the collectors. Raise the collectors to 30 to 40 degrees, facing the sun. Before positioning the light tower's trailer or adjusting the solar collectors, consider using the Tilt and Point phone app with GPS to achieve optimal south-facing alignment of the trailer and determine the precise tilt angle of the solar panels for maximum solar energy collection. Simply locate the phone bracket beneath the solar collectors, scan the provided QR code, and follow the instructions to download and use the app. Once the trailer and the solar collectors are in position, deploy all of the solar collectors by pulling the release pins and sliding the collectors out. Some units may have 2, 3, or 4 collectors. Use all of the collectors available for maximum solar collection. Lighting the project may require repositioning the lamps. The 4 LED lamps can be tilted and rotated manually into the required position before raising the mast. Use the manual winch to raise the mast to your desired height, up to 20 feet. Once at the correct height, the mast can be rotated up to 360 degrees to direct the lights in any direction. Simply pull the lock pin and loosen the iron knob that secures the mast. Use the grab bars to rotate the mast, then tighten the iron knob to lock it in place. Walk to the side of the light tower, open the secured control panel box, turn on the controls, and begin to program the lighting schedule. The operator can choose the days of operation, the number of lamps, the brightness setting for each lamp, choose the number of hours the lamps will be lit overnight, and also choose a motion sensor or eco mode. If the solar panels are unable to charge the batteries, the light tower trailer has an onboard battery charger. To start charging, connect an extension cord to the receptacle at the rear of the trailer and plug the other end into a power source. For detailed charging instructions, refer to the operations manual. While operating a solar light tower is not overly technical, there are many steps that need to be followed. Be sure to review each step with operators before they begin to operate the light tower, and always inspect the solar collectors to make sure they are clean and the unit is in proper transport position. The solar light towers were designed to be towable using a standard 2-inch hitch coupler, chains, and safety lights. Once the light tower trailer is mounted to the towing vehicle, make sure the hitch is secure, chains are securely attached, and ensure all lights are working. The proper travel position requires that the mast is fully lowered. All lamps are adjusted in a horizontal position to protect the face of the lamp from wind or road debris. All of the solar collectors must be returned to the stowed position, with the stack of collectors returned to a level position. The proper travel position also requires that all 4 outriggers are returned to the stow position, and the swivel tongue jack is down and extended as needed, with the ball coupler higher than the hitch on the towing vehicle. For complete safety, operational, and transportation procedures, consult the operations manual found on the solar light tower.